Hey guys, it is the XQM Gaming here, back with another video, and today we will be going over my PC build. It is a great PC with a great price for its buck. Honestly, if you saw Random Frank P's video, he did a build almost exactly like this for his brother. I have been building builds like this for a long time now, sorry about that. I've been building builds like this for a long time now, and I'm just trying to find a good build that'll fit me. So when I saw Random Frank P's video, it just assured me that this would be a great build. So thank you, Random Frank P, for this build. Honestly, you didn't even do it for me, but it happened. So let's just get into it. So first I have the AMD Athlon X4 8060K 3.7 GHz quad-core processor. This is an amazing processor. Although I am an Intel guy, AMD still makes great processors, and I think this will get the job done easily. So next we have the Cryorg C7 CPU cooler. This is a great low-profile cooler. It's pretty quiet, and it'll get the job done when it comes to the AMD Athlon X4 8060K. And that's just a great choice, in my opinion. Then we have the Gigabyte F2 Plus A motherboard. This is a great motherboard for its price. As you can see, it's only $45 on the screen. It may be a micro ATX, but it is an amazing motherboard. Runs well, it's fine. It's just a good motherboard. Next, we come to the basics, the RAM. We have Kingston HyperX Fury Black, 8 GB, two 4 GB sticks. It's DDR3, not DDR4. I mean, DDR4 would just be too expensive, so I just went with this. And then basic for the hard drive, obviously, like a Western Digital Caviar Blue 1 TB hard drive. You can either get a Western Digital or a Seagate, it doesn't really matter. They're all good brands. And then next for the GPU, which is one of the most important parts, we have the MSI Radeon R7 370 4 GB video card. This is a great video card all around, and it'll help me, and nothing bottlenecks each other. It's just a great choice when it compares to the processor. Then one of the last things, we have the Corsair Spec Alpha ATX mid-tower case, red and white version. This case, when I first saw it, it just wowed me on Random Frank's P channel. I just couldn't get over how cool and sexy this case looked. I'll just go through some pictures right now. So I like the sleek design. It's not symmetrical as you can see up here, but it's just so modern, and I really like it. There's little feet on it which I like, I guess, and it's just really nice. So yeah, let's just go back to the build. So, and then we have the Corsair CXM 550 watt, 80 plus bronze certified, semi-modular ATX power supply. This is a great power supply. Okay, and now I have to show you something. Even though it's only 304 watts that I'm using, a 500 watt is 80 bucks on Amazon, which is insane. I don't know if they're going out of stock, but something's happening. And then if you see, the 550 is only 55, which is much cheaper, and then the 650 is 50 with the mail-in rebates. But mail-in rebates take a long time, and I would not like to buy it from Micro Center. If I bought it from Amazon, it would be 70 bucks. 550 watt would be 55. So I'll just get the 550, I said. I don't know why the 500 is like that, I must say again. Now, if we come back to our build, we have, last but not least, the operating system. It is the Microsoft Windows 10 Home 64-bit. Obviously, just a basic operating system. I like Windows 7. It's a great operating system, but I just want to get Windows 10 to be up to date. And yeah, guys, I think that's gonna finish up our build today. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next vid. Bye.